SJ Highlights, and today what I'm going to be working on is a project majority from the dollar store. It's going to be like a floating vase candle holder type thing. Okay. Now, first thing I'm going to use is I'm using these two planks. I got this from a pitcher, and I took off the glass. Okay. An old picture that I didn't want anymore. I took the glass off. These right here came from the dollar store, and I got these a long time ago, and they faded out. I had them outside for decorative pieces, and I just left them out there. The rain got to it and took off the paint. So I'm going to spray paint this with this Krylon metallic, my favorite Krylon metallic spray paint. And also we're going to use this bling wrap. We're going to use these two of these vases that are from the dollar store as well. So we got 2 planks, 2 vases, 3 candle holders. You can use any candle holders that you want to for this project. I got these flowers here from the dollar store. I'm sure you guys have seen these. Okay. And I have my Podge here. And in these vases, I have the glitter. We also going to need glitter. And these vases here, I'm going to put these marbles that you get from the dollar store. I don't have them right now, but I'm going to go and get them. But I'll show you in the next once I actually get these spray painted, I'll show you the marbles that I'm going to put in there for the vases, okay? All right, so let's get started. I'm going to go spray paint this now, and here we go. We got them all dried and spray painted. So now what we're going to do is, now, like I said, with these right here, you can use any type of candle holders that you want. I'm using these ones that I got from the Dollar Tree a while ago. So they are... You know, I don't know if they even have these anymore, but they have all kinds of Dollar Tree candle holders that you can use for this project. So right now what I'm doing is I'm Mod Podging it, putting the Mod Podge on the candle holder. So to turn out, I did one previously. So I'm going to do this one and show you how. Just put it on there like that. Take some glitter. And I'm just going to pour mine on there, because I'm going to pour it on there and dust it off like that and get that in there like that. Okay? Easier way, you know. So it doesn't really take all that much time. And you just take it and put it on there. The stick. Press it in there good so it doesn't fall off. To the last side. Okay. Okay, there you go. See that? Isn't that pretty? Okay, so I'm gonna do the last one, and I'm gonna let these dry, and I'll come back soon. I got them all spray painted and glittered. Now we're going to place these candle holders and the vase onto the glass carefully. And we're going to position it the way we want. So I'm going to put this one in the middle, the vase is in the middle, like that. See where we're going with this? Okay, I'm going to glue it down. Now I'm going to glue it with, I have some E6000 2 that I'm gonna glue it with, and some Fix All adhesive. I'm almost out of my E6000, so I have to Fix All adhesive too. So okay, and we're gonna have these floating. They're gonna be floating candle holders. Okay, we get my dog in the background. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do this one next. Okay, put some Fix All adhesive on there. Go ahead and place it. Got to make sure that it's even. Got to make sure that it's not crooked. That's the key. Okay, now I'm going to, let me show you how I do the glass. Okay, it's got a little piece of glue stuck on there. So with this glass, with the glass vase, I'm just going to put a little bit of the glue stick there with the Fix All adhesive, and then I'm going to place it down onto the glass plank. Okay, once we have all of them glued down, we're going to take the next glass plank. If I can get it, pick it up. Okay, got it. We're going to take the next glass plank and we're going to put it on top. Now these vases are larger than the smaller candle holders. So we only need to glue this side onto the vases. So we got to make sure that it is straight, because if it's not straight, it won't stand up correctly. So what I do is I use like a little, maybe some paper or something like that, just to make sure it's even. Is it even? Let me know. Let me know. Is it even, you guys? It looks even? Okay. All right. So now that I have that on there, I'm going to, first off, I'm going to put the Fix All adhesive actually on the vase. I'm not going to put it on the glass. I'm going to put it on the vase. And the reason why I'm doing that is so I can adjust it when I get ready to put the vase on. Get ready to put the glass on. So I'm not going to put the glue on there from the glue stick on there yet. I'm going to put it on here so I'm able to move it around, you know, and put it into place the way I want. Okay, so I'm just gonna, you gotta help me and make sure it's straight, you guys, so let me know. Okay, is it good? You like that? Okay. Okay. So I want to put some glue, but you know what, I'm not. I'm just gonna let this dry like this. I'm just gonna let that dry like this and see. Yeah, you're good. Okay, so now you see these glue marks right here? We don't want that showing, right? So what I'm going to do is I have these gems, and I'm going to glue the gems actually on to hide the glue mark, so you can't see that. You don't want that showing. So. And it's, when it dries, you're not going to be able to see it. Okay? Alright, so we're going to sit here and let this dry, and we'll be back. Alright, so now that it's dry, what I'm going to do is, I took off of those, these right here, these diamonds. I took these off because, you see how it glued? It made little spots here, so I can't just put it directly on there and it be just the diamond. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some Mod Podge and I'm going to make a figure 8 on the glue spots where you can see the glue, because it's clear glass. So I'm going to make a figure 8. Okay. Let's do that. And make an infinity sign. And see how that works. And if it's not, then I'll make a different type of sign to make sure. Because I want to get it to where it's covering the glue spot. So we'll figure out if this works. And then if not, then we'll make another design. Because the Mod Podge is wet, so might be okay. So let's try this out. We're gonna try this out together, even though it's kind of crooked. Make sure when you're doing it that you make sure that you have your line straight. I like infinity signs. I like that. Okay. All right. Now you could do a flower. You could do anything that you want to do. Okay, so I put that on there, and then I'm going to get some paper. I'm just going to blow it off. I could have just stood it up, but I don't know. Let me see. I don't know, guys. So what I ended up doing is that figure 8 looked ugly. So yeah, I just made a circle. All right. So I'm going to put this bling wrap on these corners here. Like this. Put one in the middle right here so that it can stick down, because I don't want it to jumble up. And I'm gonna go to all 4 sides. Wait, 1, 2, 3, yeah, 4 sides. Okay, so now that I have all the bling wrap on, and all I did was just outline the whole, outline all the planks. So now what I'm going to do is I want to make sure that these diamonds are even. So I just look at them, make sure that they're even, Steven. And my circles are a little lopsided, but I can fix that later. Put a little glue on there. Stick it right there in the center. Stick it right there in the center, like that. Make sure that it's even. Okay, so yeah. All right, next. Okay, now that it's all positioned here, I have these marbles. See these marbles? I have these marbles that, they're falling all over the place. I have these marbles. I'm going to put these marbles inside of the vases like that. It sounds like money. Ching ching. I don't have enough because I want to really, I wanted to make it a little taller. I don't know. I wanted to make it to like halfway. It looks like it's enough. Okay. Okay, so I found some of these stars here. And I think I'm going to use them because I don't have any more of the smaller marbles. And if I do, I don't know where they are. So I'm going to put some of these stars in there. That'll be pretty. Because I really want it to be full. I don't want it to be, I want it to be full. I want it to be filled with these, So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these flowers in there. So let's stick these flowers inside of the vase. I'm going to get it down there. Make sure it's positioned. Excuse me. All right. Okay. Let's see here. So now that we have these flowers in there, you just position them the way you want them. Now let's do the greenery. Okay. So let's stick this greenery in the back of it to give it that little pop of I'm with you. I'm with you on this, you know? Make it happen. Let's marry these 2 plants. They're married together. It's husband and wife. See that? He's taller. Okay. So, here we go. We're all done. Let me see. This could look better. Oh, right here could look better. Okay. Okay, just fluff it out. And you're almost done.